Everything that's important in the world is in this bed right now.
Hi, you've reached the home of Jordan, and Jordan. Nary Jordan is present at the moment. So if you want to leave a message for Katie, Ben, Josh, or Aaron, what better time than... Hi, it's me. I'm just calling to see how the kids are doing. See if you got any postcards from them. If anything comes up, you can give me a call. Okay. Bye-bye. Hello?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Listen, I just got your message. I was in the shower when you called. The kids seem to be doing really well. I just put the postcards in an envelope. You should be getting them tomorrow.
Good.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
The world of the honeybee is filled with sunshine, meadows, and bright-colored flowers. Honeybees live in well-organized homes called hives. It is here that they raise their young and make their honey.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. It's me.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, really good.
Good. What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Oh, I was just thinking about the upstairs bathroom, and I wanted to remind you to schedule that guy to come in and recaulk the bathtub.
I've already done it.
Oh. Well. Good. Okay. Then... Bye.
Bye.